Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make a beautiful Christmas tree with quilling paper. To begin, you'll need a few essential supplies. Grab your quilling paper strips, a reliable quilling tool, some craft glue, and a sharp pair of scissors. For the main tree, opt for green paper strips, ideally about 1/8 inch wide. A contrasting color, perhaps brown, will be perfect for the tree's trunk. Now, let's create the individual sections of our tree. Take your green quilling paper and your quilling tool to roll several tight coils. Once rolled, carefully loosen each coil to form a loose circle. Then, gently pinch one side of the circle to transform it into a teardrop shape. You'll want to make about 15 to 20 of these teardrop shapes, varying their sizes slightly to add depth to your tree. With your teardrop shapes ready, it's time to assemble our festive tree. Begin by gluing the larger teardrop shapes together at the base, forming the widest part of your tree. Gradually add smaller shapes as you build upwards, creating a beautiful cone structure. Ensure each piece is securely glued for stability. For the trunk, roll a small, tight coil using your brown paper and attach it firmly to the center of the tree's base. To complete your charming quilled Christmas tree, let's add some delightful finishing touches. You can embellish it with tiny quilled stars, small beads, or a sprinkle of fine glitter for extra sparkle. For a traditional touch, consider crafting a small, contrasting colored star to place at the very top. Once decorated, allow all the glue to dry completely, which usually takes about 30 minutes, before proudly displaying your handmade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.